Hello foodies, my name is Lethabo and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be roasting some chicken. We are going to be using my new favorite tool in the kitchen, which is the AMC frying pan. What I love about this pan is that I can still use it on the stove and also use it in my oven. But before we start, we are going to be adding our potatoes, frying our potatoes and carrots in the pan. Then later on, put in our chicken and into the oven. So let's begin. Baby potatoes, carrots, and some herb butter. We also have chicken stock, fresh parsley, olive oil, we have lemon, and we have our whole chicken. Here we have our spices, and I will list the spices down in the comments so that you can see which spices I've used. So let us begin. While that is cooking my spices, I like adding them, mixing them together before. Then I just need the lemon juice, and I am going to add them to my olive oil. Spice mixture, and I'm just going to stock. I'm just going to add it onto my vegetable. And this is going to go into the oven for about 40 minutes. For about 45 minutes. I'm going to take it out now. Look at that.